Nash equilibrium is basically, don't hold this against me, the linguistic formula is each player can derive to their most desired, effective, efficient, and optimal desired results if each player independently do not deviate from the initial strategy. That reminds me of time dilation. Time dilation is basically when there is a disorder, when there is a disparity in the elapsed time measurement between two clocks traveling at the same velocity relative to each other. Call that time dilation. There's a disparity in the elapsed time measurement. Elapsed time is where things lag. So there's a disparity in the elapsed time measurement. Basically, like two clocks parallel to each other, traveling at the same velocity relative to each other. They call that time dilation. Yeah. I don't know how that relates to Nash equilibrium and